welcome to this week's episode of Cooking with XFL Jim. Let's get into it. So today what we're going to be cooking with is my favorite quarantine food, hot links. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite meals, sliced hot links with a side of diced hot links with a hot link smoothie to drink. Let's get into it. Okay, first thing you want to do is get your first hot link and give it a good old slice down the middle. That's a pretty solid slice. You split it up, give it a good pat, make sure it's ready to go. Now you're going to throw that off to the side because it's done for now. We're going to come back to that later. Next, you take another hot link and then you're going to dice this one. So once that one's ready to go, you're going to get that one put over to the side and it's all good to go. The one that we're going to blend, we're just going to keep whole. So that's step one. Let's get on to step two. Okay, step number two, you got to oil up your pan. You're going to dab oil in there, you turn the heat on, and now you're ready to go to town. Nothing like a good hot link in the morning. Now that the oil's all nice and hot, you want to get the hot link sizzling on there. Alright, once you've got one side pretty much crisped up, it's time to flip it. I'm a real man, so I like to use my bare hands. Fuck. Shit. Ow. Ah. Woo! Once you feel like your hot links are cooked enough, you're going to want to take your pan and transport the hot links to your plate. Oh boy, that's hot! Oh fuck! That's really hot! Holy shit! After you take care of your hand wounds, what you want to do is start the plating. I like to do the two hot links in the middle, and then just kind of sprinkle the wedges around here, make it all nice and fancy. Always cook with your hands because the love always comes from your hands. That's what all my partners and whatnot say. Love always comes from my hands. Now that my plate's ready, it's time to get on to the drink. Let's get to it. Alright, this is literally all you need for your hot link beverages. This should do it, so let's get into it. Okay, you want to add just a smidge of water once you got it blended a little bit. Liquefy, then you can get back to blending. Okay, once you got your hot link all blended up, you want to transport it to your drinking receptacle. That looks delicious. Smells good. Now you're ready for a meal. Okay, once you get all your different parts of the meal set together, then you can finally enjoy it. So I like to start with the little appetizers first. Great, good stuff. Move on to the main course a little. The hot links are so good. Wash it down, some good old hot link. Delicious. Seconds. Oh, it's so good. This is so good. I'm just gonna eat it all. That is how you make a quarantine meal.
Check out the next one for more XFL Jim action on the XFL Jim channel. Why don't you subscribe, everybody? Thank you.